Hey guys, so this is my fridge. I decided to do the challenge, the What's in Your Refrigerator challenge from VSG KIRK. My surgery was on Wednesday. Today is, well, it's probably going to go up on Monday. So I'm not even a week out. So this is what I have in it. Also I share this refrigerator with my husband, so I have some vitamin water zero, orange soda. I have some orange Gatorade. I have all these Isopures that I do not like. Water, Portuguese beer, my husband's yogurt, which is the Yoplait whipped, protein, Premier Protein that I'm not able to take down for some apparent reason. Then I have some yogurt, Greek yogurt. My doctor said it was fine to move on to this, which I probably can only eat half, not even half at once, so I decided to try this one, which is cheesecake. Then I also have this one, and I don't know, I think I grabbed this one out by mistake, but we'll see. Then I also have some light creamy Swiss when I move on to my next phase. Have some eggs. Down here we have more soda. We got back there some olives. Then this is all Jello, and back there is some, as you can see, some Jello pudding. Then back there is milk. Then we have, this is my Crystal Light, peach. We have wine. In the drawer, we have some Portuguese cheese and some cold cuts. We have, my husband he works construction, so he has to make sandwiches. Down here we have some carrots and some lemons and some green apples, and I think that's it. Over here we have some, I don't know what you call dubo, some beef, some chicken, some tomato. Can't believe it's not butter. Margarine. I have the string cheese, which right now I'm not eating any, but creamy Caesar, my husband's favorite, classic Italian, all white, heavy cream. I think the expiration is expired. Sure is. Okay. That we'll take out. And some tomato sauce. Then I have some mayo. This is some sparkling water, but it's Portuguese. Some mozzarella cheese. A bunch of mozzarella cheese. We have mustard. And then we have my GNC milkshakes protein shakes that I cannot take. I don't know why. Ketchup. Then we have some water, some soda, some port wine, some cooking wine, and that's it. That's my fridge, and hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay, so as I'm putting this video together to put it on YouTube, I saw that I forgot to do my freezer part. So, sorry guys. Here's a bunch of meat. Chicken, ground beef, some chicken legs, some steak, chicken. I have here some Le Cuisine and Smart One. And then here I have some fruits. To make some smoothies. Yep, that's what it looks like. And picking up is a weird, because I'm kind of still sore. Okay. Here is some peas and carrots, some fish, bacalao, some Portuguese sausage. Here's some fries. And then over here we have some, wait, I saw chocolate. We have the sugar-free popsicles, some more chicken, some more popsicles. And here, I found it at one of our local supermarkets. This protein ice cream has 8 grams of protein, and it's fudge. So I can't wait to be able to try these, and they're 70 calories a piece. And then down here we have some bread. Over here we have some Cool Whip, some corn on the cob, some hamburger bread, and some more corn. So yeah, oh, and then here we got my ice machine. So yeah. So, okay, now I'm going to try to end it. Bye guys.